All right, let's stick with the chips and talk about Nvidia, because Nvidia right now coming off a fresh record high. You can see in the pre-market at least off just about 0.7%. Yahoo Finance's Jared Blickery is here with a breakdown of what the technicals are telling us. Jared.
Thank you, Shauna. Indeed, we did get that record closing high yesterday. Still don't have a record intraday high, but I wanted to show you what's happened over the last month. We've got this really nice liftoff since basically the end of September, but we're still within a very large trading range. And this goes back 5 or 6 months, depending on how you slice and dice it, but we are right there back at the Rubicon. I would strongly suspect that we managed to get another intraday high, record high. But the question is, are we going to have a false breakout? Because that's on a lot of traders' minds. It's something that really hasn't happened with Nvidia in a long time. Happens with Bitcoin all the time, but it's a possibility. So if I put a 3-year chart on, we can see that there have been several instances of consolidation. In 2023, that was 6 or 7 months, the entire back half of the year. It didn't take off again until 2024. So we've seen this before, and traders are just trying to ascertain, all right, are we going to be able to punch through and maintain that momentum? Well, things are looking pretty good for some of the broader indices here. I'm going to show you the NASDAQ 100, and here's the NASDAQ 100 year to date. It's not quite at a record high just yet, but here's the NASDAQ 100 equal weight. It just notched a record high yesterday, along with the S&P 500 equal weight. So my point is, we have a lot of momentum to the upside and a lot of breadth. I think it would be uncharacteristic to have Nvidia sucker traders in only to have it go down, but we have seen that happen before. And I guess the difference being that Nvidia has always resolved to the upside. So eventually there's going to be a fake out that kind of catches traders. But you did mention in the intro that Nvidia is about to overtake Apple. And I just wanted to show those numbers for you. I'm going to put market cap. This is the NASDAQ 100. Here's Apple, $3.516 trillion. And here's Nvidia sitting at 3.386 trillion. Guys?
All right, Yahoo Finance's own Jared Blickery. Jared, thanks so much. Appreciate the technical breakdown there on NVDA.